Hello everyone, I am Alok Sethi and hope you are doing good. Welcome to my channel Alok Sethi where I upload a lot of videos on like tech tools like Excel, Power BI and Tableau, many other AI features also, AI tools also. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how to use time intelligence functions in DAX using DAX in Power BI. So we are going to explore a lot of things today and stay till the end of this video so that you understand and learn all the DEX functions, how to use that. Basically, when it comes to time intelligence. And so let's start. Here we go. So I'm sharing my screen and on my screen, you will be able to see the Power BI window now. So now on my screen, you see that I've already created a image for DAX functions, time intelligence functions. When we talk about time intelligence, what does it mean? It means that when you have a calendar, when you have a date, and you have some variable, let's say here we are going to take sales. So I want to analyze my sales on month to date basis or quarter to date basis and the year to date basis versus my previous month to date or previous quarter to date or previous year to date. And then I want to find out the growth rate, that at what rate my sales are increasing. That is basically called as time intelligence. Now, it is very important to understand this because when we are doing data analytics or when we are looking into the analysis of how a business has happened over the time period, it is very important to understand how to calculate these functions and how to get to those figures because these are not readily available in our data source. So let me give you an example and let me show you what I've already created using this dummy data set. By the way, the link to get the data is in the description. You can check it and download the factors file so that when you are watching this video, you can do it with me. So here, I'll show you my data first. So I go to the table view and you would be able to see my data, which is the sales data of a company. It has the date column and it has the amount, the sales amount. You can see that the date is ranging from January 1, 2022 till 1st December 2023. Okay, so it's almost 2 years data and there are 30 rows, 30 distinct value. You can see 30 dates are there. Not all the dates are there, but yes, in every month, some dates are being taken. Now, so what I've done is I've already calculated the time differences, the time based values. Okay, and then I'm going to take you how we have done this. So here it is showing the total sales, which is 32,720, and then my current month to date is 2,100. Now, how do we get this figure? We'll get into it, but this is the current month till date. So if the current month is December, so it is showing like from the current month till today's date, what is the total sales which has happened. Then what was the sales in the previous month? And then the percentage change. You can see month on month change. So from 1900 in the previous month, the sale has become 2100. So there is a 10.53% growth, a positive growth, you can say. Now, coming to the quarter, the current quarter to date sales is 5,300 and the previous quarter to date sales is 3,650. So again, you can see that there is a growth in the sales from the previous quarter to the current quarter, and the growth is 53.42% this time. But if you look at the current year-to-date sales, it is 15,050 as compared to the previous year, which is 17,670. There is a decline in the current year's sales, and the decline is to the extent of 14.83%, or you can say 15% decline. So these are the numbers. But if you look at the graph, okay, if you look at the chart on the right hand side, you will see that the sales, the first sale happened on January 22, wherein it was 1450, then it went to 1950 in March, and then it came back to 1300 in the month of June and 900, the lowest in the October, and then coming highest at 1800, and then January 2023, you see the sale dripping to declining to 450, but it is again recovering and reaching a new high in December 23 at 2100. So this is why what is the benefit of using Power BI when it comes to analytics. Now, if I change the date, you will see the chart changing. You can see the chart changing. So this is how this is the benefit of creating the chart. Thank you and hope you like the video.